This is Peter Gregory Obi, born as a fourth son of a devout Catholic and entrepreneur parent on 19 July 1961 in Onitsha, Nigeria. Peter Gregory Obi attended the King's College, Onitsha, thereafter proceeded to the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, where he obtained a Bachelor's of Arts in Philosophy. His love for business made him go to the Lagos Business School and Harvard Business School, Boston, United States of America, London School of Economics, and many other prestigious schools of studies outside the shores of Nigeria. Peter Gregory Obi contested and won the governorship seat of Anambra State in November 2006. He was the first governor in Nigeria to legally challenge his wrongful impeachment and was reinstated by the courts. The first governor, while still in office, to be appointed as special advisor to the president. The first serving governor to be appointed into the Presidential Economic Management Team. It is on this basis and many more not listed that Peter Obi aspires for the number one and vies for the presidential position to bring about development in all aspects of the economy and to transform the lives of Nigerian citizens for improved standard of living devoid of security challenges. He sought to develop the country using his antecedents and wealth of experience as Governor Anambra State of Nigeria 2006 to 2014, Honorary Special Advisor to the President on Finance, Member Presidential Economic Management Team, Vice Chairman Nigeria Governors Forum 2008 to 2014, Chairman Southeast Governors Forum 2006 to 2014, former Chairman Board of Securities and Exchange Commission, former Chairman Fidelity Bank PLC, former Chairman Guardian Express Mortgage Bank Limited, former Chairman Future View Securities Limited, former Chairman Paymaster Nigeria PLC, former Chairman Next International Nigeria Limited, former Director Guardian Express Bank PLC, former Director Charms Nigeria PLC, former Director Emerging Capital Limited, former Director Card Center PLC, member British Institute of Directors, Federal Government Committee on Minimum Wage, Federal Government Committee on Negotiation with Labor on Subsidy, Subcommittee on Needs Analysis of Public Universities in Nigeria, National Economic Council Review Committee on the Power Sector, and many more. Peter Obi is married with 2 children.